What's cooking, everybody? This is your boy Andy J, and welcome back to Hiker's Survival Show. Indian Western Ghat. We are really deep into the forest right now, and it's a rainforest. Leopards, sloth bears, pretty much those two are the dangers here, and other than that, the place is freaking sick. I'm loving it. My people are loving it. And yeah, one more thing, we have to look out for snakes as well. So let's go. In the Indian Western Ghats, actually you can't see even like 10 meters what's ahead. It's crazy dense forest. Check out this. Today with me, Abhi, Rashant. So we all work together. What do you say, Rashant? What do you think of the place?
The place is really adventurous. Go for a peek, then we'll find a nice place.
Okay.
And we'll plan for a camp.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah. It's an adventure, bro.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah. Super cool.
Enjoying?
Yeah, warm enjoying.
Yeah, it's humid.
Water is there.
Are you serious?
Okay. I think Abhi found water here.
No.
2 or 31 minutes. My jacket is just moist with this tiny thorns. It's crazy. And it's all over. Finally, we decided to camp here. The place where we saw those lotus. So the place is really cool. So we're gonna camp right there. It looks really nice and comfy because there's a lot of grass there. So it's gonna be like a cushion for us today. From our camp, the view is really nice. So that's why we decided to camp right here. And I mean, check out this. What else you need, man? That's some freaking dope, man. All right, let's get the camp ready.
Done.
So our fire pit looks. It's really getting dark right now, and unfortunately we couldn't see the sunset because it's all cloudy, and I'm pretty sure tonight it's gonna rain. So that's why we put this canvas on the top, and the view is really nice on the other side there. The orange sky with those mountains, and did you hear that? That's crazy. That's crazy thunder. So yeah, so everything is looking good. The boys are out there to collect some more wood, and we pretty much collected. Check out this, guys. I never saw something like this before. It's freaking dope. Something crazy happened just now. I saw 2 bears, one big one and one small one. It was really close to me, near that pond where we had those lotus. I was running to get some wood, and I just saw them and they just started running. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. And it was just somewhere around here. It was the first time ever I saw something so close, a wildlife close to me, so I felt good. Abhi has prepared this, what do you call it, this, the, what do you call it, this, the, 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 fire pit.
Fire pit.
Yeah, with the rocks. So that's looking pretty cool. And let's get the fire going now. There you go. Like this. Alright, let's put some oil in it. Okay.
Enough,
Let me
man.
throw this up. Oh boy. That sounds good. Maybe light with it? Chicken is ready. Ah, that looks juicy, man. There you go.
ಅವಿ ನೀನು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ತಗೊಂಬಂದಿಲ್ವನ?
Prashant.
Yes, we are going to sleep now. Good night. Good night, Andy.
See you morning. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Alright, guys. Peace. Yo, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. We woke up to this beautiful morning, man. Sick. Again, the sky is all covered with clouds again. Alright, let's make some fire now. What's cooking? What's cooking? Huh? crazy. Crazy raining now. Even the climate is too crazy. We were about to leave. We got our coffee and it started raining crazy now. And it'll be all wet because we came through a lot of bushes, I guess. Yeah. So it's gonna be one crazy trek now.
Very hard drive to go home.
Yeah, even the drive is hard. So we parked our bike somewhere in the bush there, and yeah, man, but loving this weather. It's nice. It's nice. All right. It's still raining. If you see, it's like drizzling, and we got our tents down. Our gear is right here, and fire. That's the place where our tent was. You see that square dry spot. So if you look around, it's all clean. So I would say leave no trace and no trash. This is Abhi.
Peace. Leave no trace, no trash. Go green.
This is, I guess, this is the first time I camped in a really thick forest in Western Ghats. I just love this place, and the best part was the rain in the morning. My goodness, that was really nice. If you see on my legs here, it's getting all wet. So what you can do is you can take a t-shirt and tie it around your leg and walk through the forest or these grasses, so it will collect a lot of water, which will be around like what, 200-300 mil, and you're good to go, man. If you see right now on the bushes here, it's all wet, so you can collect the dew in that way. Let's go.
Bear track.
Alright, let's check out this. You see that spot? That's actually a bear was playing around. So this is where we parked our bikes. So time to go, guys.
Yes.
All right,
Ready to
let's move.
Back to home now.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is your boy Andy J, and you're watching Hikers Survival Show. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.